House.
Oh, there it is! There it is! There it is!
You can still see it from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is!
There it is.
That is so bright.
It's a Delta IV rocket.
I can barely just see the.
Isn't that crazy, buddy? Leave that off. Watch the rocket.
You can't even see the trail from here.
Why?
Joe, your camera won't work. It's too high. It's too low res.
Why?
You can try.
You can try.
No. Click. And what video?
Pretty cool, huh? You see it?
Hold on. Where's the video thing?
Joey, look.
So bright.
Nice. Right there.
Joey, look.
Nice.
Wanna climb up my arms?
No.
Okay.
Alright.
He doesn't like
I'm
people
gonna
touching him.
edit
He just
it
got.
really
I just
quick.
had to get him up there to see.
Edit.
It looks like it's just staying put.
It's slowly moving. 'Cause
Brush.
It'll pick up speed here real
Color.
soon. But yeah, it looks like it's.
White.
it's probably going literally that way up.
They tend to go like that though, and
Yeah.
up into space.
Yeah,
Like,
usually
they
I
tend to
see it
curve. It
arcing
looks like
that
it's
way.
it's arcing
Yeah,
that way. I think
yes.
Yeah.
Well,
towards
it's
the
going
east.
towards the atmosphere in that direction.
It arcs towards the east. Part of it is because the Earth's.
Oh, there he goes.
A.
It's fluttering.
Off.
It flashed because I think it's just disengaged.
It's
It's second stage rockets, or engaged its second stage rockets.
You got so many helicopters trying to get coverage of it too.
Dude. So many.
Oh, can't see it anymore.
It just went beyond the roof.
See it over here.
It's gonna go past those trees.
I couldn't see it.
Here, come up in my hands, in my arms.
No, I'm afraid. Wait.